Hey, Bingo, look! We get to grow our own garden of Play-Doh flowers. Wow, I love flowers, Bluey. What kind of flowers do we get to grow? I hope there's an orange and pink flower. Those are my two favorite colors. What color flowers do you want to grow, Bluey? Well, Bingo, I love blue and purple too. Hopefully we can grow lots of different colors with our Play-Doh. Okay, Bingo, we're getting our first colors. It looks like they're green and blue. Blue is my favorite color. Let's plant the Play-Doh in the hole so it can grow. Look, Bluey, it's time for another color. Pink and purple. I love pink and you love purple. Let's put it in the hole so it can grow. Alright, Bingo, it's time to help our flowers grow. But how do we do that, Bluey? We press down on this garden basket handle, and then they should grow. Wow! Look at them, Bluey. They're growing. Look at all of the colors, Bingo. Green, blue, purple, and pink. They're beautiful.
Wiggle!
Wiggle!
Play!
This is so magical, Bluey. What do we do next? Let's carefully pull them out of the dirt hole and put them each in a pot so they continue to grow. Remember, Bingo, we have to be gentle with the petals so we don't hurt them. Let's make some leaves to put in our pots. Great idea, Bluey. Let's use the color green. Look at the green leaves. We did it, Bluey. Look at these beautiful flowers we get to make. I think we should do this one my favorite color. Do you remember what it is? It's orange! Alright, Bingo, we can make an orange rose. We have to put the Play-Doh in the rose mold. Let's press it in. Let's Let's get our green stem to put in the middle. We're gonna close it and press it down. And let's see what's inside. A beautiful orange rose. Wow, Bluey, it's perfect! Bluey, this is so much fun being able to grow our own flowers. What should we grow next? How about a beautiful pale yellow flower, Bingo? That sounds lovely, Bluey. Let's press our pale yellow Play-Doh into the mold. Now it's time for our green stem. Let's put it in the middle. Now we're going to close the mold and press down. And what do we have inside? A beautiful yellow flower. Look, Bluey, it's so pretty. I'm so excited we get to grow another flower. What should we do this time, Bluey? Let's try 2 colors this time, Bingo. How about we use yellow and white? Oh, good idea. I can't wait to see how this turns out. Let's place our first color, yellow, into the center of the mold. The yellow will be the center of the flower. And next, we'll get our second color, white. We'll place our white Play-Doh into the mold on top of the yellow and press it down. Let's get our green stem and place it in the middle of the flower. I know what to do, Bluey. Let's close the mold and press down. Now let's open it. Wow! A beautiful white and yellow flower! Great job, Bingo! We grew another beautiful flower. What color flower should we grow next, Bingo? Maybe we should pick 2 colors again, because that was so fun. Great idea, Bluey. Let's use red and yellow this time. Okay, Bingo. Let's press the red Play-Doh into the center part of our mold. That will be the center of the flower. Next, we'll get our yellow Play-Doh and press it down on top of the red Play-Doh. This will make all of our flower petals yellow. It's time to put our green stem in the middle of the flower. Let's close our mold and press down. Bluey, look at the flower. I love the red and yellow. We are doing such a great job growing these Play-Doh flowers. I think we should grow some more. I agree, Bingo. This is so fun. Let's use pink and purple on this flower. Great idea, Bluey. That sounds amazing! Let's use pink first and press it in at the base of the flower. Base means bottom. So the bottom of our flower will be pink. Next, let's use the purple Play-Doh and press it down in the top of the flower mold. Let's get our green stem and place it in the middle of the flower. Let's close our mold and press it down. I can't wait to see this flower, Bluey. And now we have our pink and purple flower. Look at it, Bluey. It's beautiful. Alright, Bingo. This is gonna be our last flower to grow today. Aw, man. I guess that means we need to make it extra special. Sure thing, Bingo. I think we should use the colors pink and yellow. Let's take the pink Play-Doh and press it into the center of our mold. This will be the center of the flower. Next, we'll get the yellow Play-Doh and press it on top of the pink. This will make the flower petals yellow. Let's get our green stem and press it in the middle of the flower. Let's close the mold and press down. Wow! Look, Bluey. It's a pink and yellow flower. It's gorgeous. Bluey, we grew so many flowers in our Play-Doh flower garden. There's so many colors and different types of flowers. They're all so beautiful, Bingo. Thanks for helping me grow them in our garden. Thanks for watching and playing. See you next time.